guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig got review and today is by Zury Sis. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 34 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up.
Complain, but life is a little hard, you know, and I just wanna get away. Rather bend it over on a beach up in Italy. So if you are a fan of me, go sing this in a canopy. And if I change my mind, hit the road signs and never coming back. Just hope my family proud of me.
now you've watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about the specs and my thoughts on this unit. The unit that I will be reviewing today is by Zury Sis in the Sister Wig collection. I have the unit in the style Melly or PM FP Lace Melly. I have Melly in the color FFT Ginger Light. Melly has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Melly does come with AG lace, natural baby hair, pre-tweeze hairline, and it comes with a 13x4 free part area. Melly is made of a human hair natural mix. So my thoughts on the unit. Okay, can we just take a minute and just say how much we love this color? Cause honey, yes, I'm loving the color. Love this color. This unit is very beginner friendly, very very everything you want to think about. It's here for it. She's getting a 10. Okay, she is getting a 10. Everything about this unit, I love it. Okay, no flyaways, no shedding, no tangling, none of that. She's just a put on and go, ready to wear. And she already comes with curls, so you literally have nothing to do but put her on. Well, first cut the lace off, maybe tint the lace, put it on and go. How easy. Okay, I love this unit. Yes, she is getting a 10. The color that I chose, I love it. The length, I love it. Whew. I love her. So she would be getting a 10. There's nothing wrong with the unit. No flyaways, no shedding, no tangling. She is beginner friendly. She is beginner friendly. She's every kind of friendly you could think of. So go ahead and pick her up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section whether you picked her up or not, and how do you like the unit if you already have the unit. So now that we've got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.